Right, I'm starting on the roof on this with the sander. I'm just doing the hatch. I'm gonna sand the hatch and paint it and lacquer it. And then I'm gonna clean all the roof and coat it in Owltrol, and then at least that's the top of the boat will be sorted and protected. Then I've got the mammoth task of doing something with the sides of the boat. Well, I'm just getting that hatch one coat of paint. It's probably going to need, it's a bit patchy in places, so it's probably going to need 3 coats, but I'm going to leave it now and I'll leave that to go off. I'll give it another coat in a couple of days. Quite a hot day today, so this ain't easy, but it's time, so I've got to try and get the roof done now. Scrub all the roof, rinse it off. And then paint it with a brush with Owltrol oil. It'll look lovely and shiny then. I've nearly finished cleaning the roof. Nightmare job when it's hot. I put my shoes on. I couldn't even stand on the boat on the metal work. I think I've got burns on my feet because the steel was that that hot on the boat. Putting the oil on with the brush. This will protect the roof. Stops it from corroding and rusting, and it looks shiny as well, so serves a few purposes. Hot up here. Not done that. Just over halfway. You can see where I've done that if you look. Nice and shiny, unprotected that bit. The roof looks good now. I've just got to give that hatch a couple more coats. The roof's sorted. I've just coated that hatch again. The roof's looking good now with the oil, but I've just gave that its second coat. And while that's drying, I'm going shooting for an hour. Right, this will be an interesting experiment I'm going to do. I don't keep these bows on the boat. I brought them from home with all the gear and my laser rangefinder. Let's see how far these things shoot. Right, this is going to be an interesting one for me to do. Both these bows they're about 48 pounds at 27 inches. So they're quite powerful bows these guys. Let's see how far they go.
Right, let's try this heavy Magyar bow.
You asked for my heart, you left it alone. I'm giving it all, but you wanted more. Every piece you stole, left me everything you wanted from me. Take my heart and soul, 'cause if you want it, you got it. You asked for my heart, you left it alone. I'm giving it all, but you wanted more. Every piece you stole, left me everything you wanted from me. Take my heart and soul, 'cause if you want it, you got it.
Okay, I wish I had a bit more time to fly a few more hours, but I've got so many jobs to do. Right then, the results are in. This big, heavy Magyar bow and the little tiny lightweight Dragon bow by Freddie Archery. Wow, it's just as I thought actually, because they're both about the same poundage and I'm pulling it the same draw length and using the same arrows. But this is a big, heavy bow. This is a small, lighter one. This is faster. This is faster, it shoots further. That Magyar bow was shooting about 150 odd yards with a laser rangefinder when I rangefinded it. This was shooting about 180 yards, so quite a bit further. And if you go through my videos, you'll see a review of these bows, especially this Freddie Archery Dragon bow. This never ceases to amaze me. It's so light, so small, so compact, but the power from this bow is unbelievable. So anyway, I've got loads more jobs to do. I'll do some more archery videos. I'm going to try and get a bit further with these bows as well. I'm going to try and push this one, see if I can get out to 200 yards with this, wind permitting, when the weather's in my favour. Yeah, so make sure you like, share and subscribe my videos. I hope you enjoyed this one.
Right, just trying to clean up this side of the boat best I can. These are useful. These weed sprayers. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you've not got no power for pressure washers and things like that. So, yeah, they're better than nothing. It does help you to rinse things down a bit. once a year really, to protect your boat from rust and everything. And I thought, I know, I'm gonna do all the boat in it, just to try and hide some of the, you know, the bad lacquer patches coming off. And it looks 10 times better. The side of the boat looks 10 times better. I've just bought myself some time really, until I figure out what I'm gonna do, weight but I mean, all I've done is got a rag and owl-trolled oil on the boat. I'll turn the boat around and do the other side of the boat. That looks brilliant. That's so much better. That's a massive, massive improvement. I'm really pleased with that. Really pleased with that.